Hi guys, it's Kim with Unpolished Gardens. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Today we're going to be doing planter boxes, and I've got them all laid out here. They're recycled material. My boyfriend gets them on his job sites, and they work really well. You can stack them up as tall as you want, and he gets them every time he does a job, so I can get plenty of them to just get this bed done and get it ready to plant. Today we're just going to be arranging them, and then in part 2 we're going to be tilling the garden spot area and filling the beds, and then part 3 we're going to try to get them planted up with some lettuce and some carrots and just see how it does in this area. We've had a garden in this area before, so the ground's really good, and it should work out pretty well here. So we're going to get arranging and see what we come up with. pretty painless, actually. We did have to move them slightly forward. We had it quite a bit wider, and I can add more rows later on as I want to. But for now, I think this is pretty good, spacing-wise. The two in the middle are going to be for flowers, and then the rest of them is going to be for lettuces and carrots and kale, maybe some spinach this year. We'll see if we can get these all planted in. We're trying really hard. But I kind of like the design. I don't think it looks too bad. I think it looks pretty good. And I can stack them next year. Maybe I'll stack them another level high, which will get a little more height out of it and look even better. But for this fall, since we're just getting them in the ground, I think this is just going to be perfect. And we'll get them tilled up in the next video and filled up. And we could start planting. I don't know. We'll see how far it gets. And we're about on time for planting. We probably should have started our seeds a little earlier, probably like last week. But I think 1 week isn't probably going to matter because normally our frost is said to be at the end of October, but usually it's towards the beginning of November. So we may have a week to play with anyway. And we're going to harvest the lettuces pretty young for salads and things. So I think we'll get pretty much a good crop out of it. Just getting it in a little later than it should be in. But I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. It's kind of on a hill. But once we till it down, it'll be more level. But I think it looks pretty good. And I'm pretty excited to get planting. We haven't had a garden all summer. And so I'm really excited to start planting and getting some food in the ground. And yeah, pretty excited. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And until next time, we'll see ya. Bye, guys.